Hey guys, welcome back. And in this session, we'll focus on the Environment Division of COBOL program. So the Environment Division is an optional division and it is further divided into two different sections. First one is configuration section and the input output section. The configuration section is an optional section for programs and it is used to describe the computer environment on which the program is compiled and executed. The input-output section is used to specify the names of the file which is used in the program. Now let me quickly summarize all these subsections of environment division with an example so that you can easily understand how exactly you can write your environment division of the program. So environment division, as I've already mentioned in my previous slide, is divided into two sections. First one is configuration section, which is further divided into source computer and object computer. So source computer paragraph is used to describe the computer on which the source text is to be compiled. The object computer paragraph specifies the system for which the object program is designated. The input-output section is further divided into two different paragraphs. First one is file control, which is used to specify the file entries that you will be using in your COBOL program. And the next one is input output control, and it is used to specify the information that is required for efficient transmission of data between the external dataset and the COBOL program. Most of the paragraphs that we discussed so far are optional and they are not used by the programmer when they are writing new programs. But you're going to find these details in old programs which was written during 1960s, 70s or probably 80s. Now input output section file control paragraph is very important because in case if you're dealing with a file, then you have to specify those entries in file control paragraph. And finally, here's an example of environment division that I've extracted from a COBOL program, and it showcases how you can write all these different entries in your COBOL program. So in this example, actually I've used configuration section and input output section, but I did not specify anything in configuration section. In fact, I've specified the files that I'll be using in my program in the input output section file control paragraph. So till now, if you have any question, then do let me know. Otherwise, let's move on to our next lecture.